Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're starting the 12 days of Christmas DIYs, so let's get crafting. I found these jingle bells at the Goodwill bins. It's a variety of pink ones and gold ones, and I thought it would be a cool idea to make a garland using these jingle bells. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take them outside, and this is my little setup that I created, just some floor foam and stuck them on some skewers. And I'm using this Rust-oleum paint. It's metallic champagne bronze. It almost looks like it's brass. It turns out really cute. And you'll see Cooper run around in the background. He has to be near me at all times. He was begging me to throw his ball the whole time I was spraying these. So once I get them back inside and the paint is dry, I am got this green twine. I think I got it at the Dollar Tree. It might have been Walmart. I'm not 100% sure. So what I'm going to do is I've got one piece cut to the size of the garland that I want to make, and I am going to cut off a small piece and tie it around each bell to use to tie to the actual garland. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. Now, once I've gotten all the jingle bells tied onto our garland, I've got this dark green velvet ribbon. I get this from Amazon, and I'm gonna tie a simple bow, and I'm going to hot glue one of these bows above each one of the jingle bells. This is really a very quick and easy, budget-friendly DIY. I'm pretty sure you can get a whole pack of the Jingle Bells at the Dollar Tree. So I think it's like $1.50 now though. And I think it comes with 6 in there. It might be more, it might be 8. But like I said, I'm just gonna take and hot glue each little bow onto the Jingle Bell. And here's how this cute little garland turned out. I put it in my entryway with a little cedar garland, and I also have a garland that I found at the bins. It's snowflakes made out of doilies, and it's really cute. But you guys let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Come back tomorrow for day 2 of our 12 Days of Christmas series. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.